The text function is used to transfer content from a PDF document to Excel. In the application, we have two car lease agreements uploaded, and our task is to transfer the VN numbers of these cars to Excel. To do this, we click the text button on the ribbon. Then on the PDF, we select the area where the VN number is located, and after a moment, the copied VN number appears in the cell. If we want to copy the VN from the second document, we select the area where the VN number is located, and the VN number appears in the next cell. If we want the VIN numbers to be in a single cell, we can do this. In that case, we need to use the control button. We select the VIN number from the first document on the PDF. Then we press the control key on the keyboard. We go to the second document. We select the VIN number on the second document, and after a moment, both VIN numbers are in the cell. In the bottom right corner, there is a table with details. By clicking on each line, the application takes us to the specific location on the document from which we made the copy.